Menthol Eucalyptus bath melts are a great way to soothe tired muscles in the bath. Menthol creates a nice cooling sensation, and eucalyptus is also soothing, which work together in a nice hot bath to create a really wonderful sensation. The bath melts are beautiful, easy to make. They don't melt in your hand, but they will melt easily in your bath. Okay, so let's get making. Okay, to make your bath melts, you'll need a few ingredients. You'll need organic deodorized cocoa wafers, USDA certified organic shea butter, menthol crystals, and finally eucalyptus essential oil. You'll also need some equipment. You'll need a hot plate or a burner or some other way to melt your butters, a stovetop safe beaker or pot, and of course something to stir everything with. So the easiest way to work with shea butter and to weigh it out and measure it out is to put on some gloves and just get your hands in there and do it. So we're just going to add the shea butter and the cocoa butter. And it's important to note that shea butter and cocoa butter have a fairly low melting point, so it doesn't require a lot of heat to melt these down. If you overheat, you risk crystallizing your shea butter, and you certainly don't want to do that. So we are just going to put our cocoa butter and shea butter in our beaker and turn on our hot plate and wait for that to melt. Okay, so now that we have our butters melted, we're going to move our take the butters off the heat. I'm moving my hot plate. You don't have to do that. And we'll simply add our menthol crystals. And as you can see, those dissolve quickly and readily. Oh my gosh, that smells so good already. Beautiful. And once we have our menthol crystals mixed in, we're just going to add our eucalyptus essential oil. All right. So just to be clear, the cocoa butter and shea butter melt at about 130 together, 130 Fahrenheit. You don't want to bring the temp much higher than that so that you don't worry about crystallization. Another trick to prevent crystallization is that once you pour off your bath melts into your molds, simply put them in the fridge. So to do that, find a surface. I have this handy clipboard. So you find a solid surface that you can easily fill your molds and then move them into the fridge or freezer. And I have these really cute little heart molds. I also have these really cute little star molds that I'm going to use. But let's start with the heart molds. So it's really simple. You just fill up your mold. I like to get them nice and full so they have a nice depth to them. And of course, you'll probably spill some like I'm doing, but it's easy to clean up. So I recommend getting silicone soap molds. They're the easiest to work with. They're the easiest to get your finished product out of. And they're easy to clean. Okay. Push that one aside. Okay, so this mold is a little stiffer, so I don't necessarily need a tray for this one, so I'm not going to use one. Okay, and now we just put these in the fridge and wait for them to get solid. You can find the ingredients to make this whole recipe by clicking the More button directly below this video. There is a kit you can purchase that has everything you need to make your first pound of this wonderful bath melt. Thanks for joining us today, and happy making.